oh boy, are you guys in for a treat. Welcome back, Learning Machines, to another video. I'm going to share with you literally the coolest thing, okay? How you could spy on your competition and basically model after them and see what's working for any offer on ClickBank, and you can make money from it, okay? This is really dope, okay? So stay tuned. Basically, all I did, just to find the top, ClickBank offers, as I always do, I just click search and I find them. Most of them are in the health niche, okay? And I looked at some, and for this example, I actually have pulled up in some tabs this one, okay? It's this offer down here. This was a recent one called the 100K shout out, and basically the average affiliate sale is like $787, and then the average rebill, because they have a recurring part up to this, average rebill total says $0, but it looks like 1%. Gravity's pretty high, but Ted's woodworking has always been up there, very, very high, and a lot of people have promoted it. So here we go. I went to landing page and I just used SimilarWeb. Right here I have the Chrome extension. That's all I have to do. And then basically I just look at all the data about it. Okay. The monthly visits, very high. Okay. That's an average of 500,000 people. And the average visit duration is 2 minutes. Okay. That's a good solid time. They're probably watching the video and scrolling down, which is why having video sales letter and written copy is so powerful, because they'll watch the video and listen to it and then scroll down and watch the rest. Then the bounce rate's like 50%, I guess. Maybe they have a slow load speed or something. Most people are from the US. And then most of the traffic is direct and display. Just so you know, ClickBank is a big driving force to bringing people to the site. Believe it or not, a lot of this monthly visits is actually ClickBank affiliates looking at this site. Okay, so that would be a lot of it. Actually, display ads happens to be what SimilarWeb picks up on display ads as ClickBank. So ClickBank is kind of display ads. So a lot of traffic most of the time is going to be social. Okay, and in this video I'm going to show you like what works best for beginners. Okay, if you want to do my strategies, check out my other videos. It's the best way to do it with paid traffic to promote anything in the world. Any offer you find, a CPA network or an affiliate network like this one, or even Amazon's affiliate network. Okay, a lot of people like to promote to email lists as a solo ad. Search is great with Bing or with Google, but I'm going to show you. So I just go to SimilarWeb. Okay, you scroll down here and you can see just more data about it. Okay, and you can see like the top referring sites. So I clicked on all those. You'll see those in a second. The top destination sites, hot top deal, this one, this one, this one. Okay. And then, so those would be like landing pages and stuff. Look, there's Facebook, someone's sending them to, okay? Very important to know. Then their organic keywords are kind of weird sometimes. And then sometimes just the exact name of the product or offer. And then the paid keywords is very interesting, okay? And you can get all this for free. You don't need to pay for the whole SimilarWeb Pro, okay? So people looking up the review, people looking up this weird string of words, and this one weird string of words with a J in it. How weird is that, right? Can a battery be restored? Interchangeability of 60V batteries. How interesting. So yeah, people making money doing that, and this is all you have to do. Here's the most interesting thing, and I noticed this with a lot of ClickBank products. The top social platforms to use is first Pinterest, then Facebook, then YouTube. They all work fine. YouTube is kind of the most powerful, but Pinterest is so easy to just repin content and get links towards your landing pages and offers, okay? And if you're doing a free method, I highly recommend Pinterest or YouTube. And if you want to do Facebook groups or build a page, you can do that. Okay, but my strategy is you can organically just push people to offers like crazy. Okay, you can basically set up a break-even funnel and then push them to offers like crazy. And that's the method that is the new thing. And it will always work because it's changing business forever, this strategy. And these are just free methods. But let's look at these landing pages. And then I look at the landing pages for data too. This one says, sorry, no data. Okay, but this is what they're doing to try to sell them. They're trying to get them to watch the video on the landing page. Okay, so they just click there, it goes to the landing page. And then here's another landing page, no data, but you can look. It looks like they have some a blog thing that they're trying to do, but they don't understand how to do affiliate marketing like you. You know how to do it. Okay, so right here, they're getting a lot of traffic, okay? 0 visits all the way up to, now they're scaling, okay? They're getting like 65,000 visits, okay? And here's how they're doing it. They're doing social, okay? It looks like it's definitely probably going to be Facebook and Instagram. So we're going to go to SimilarWeb. We're going to check out what they're actually doing. If you have SimilarWeb Pro, you can actually see what their ads look like. It's very cool. I don't have it right now. Look at this. They're not like picking up too much data on it because it's kind of new. It hasn't been getting traffic for 6 months. but 96% of it is just Facebook traffic. So this is someone running Facebook ads as a Facebook affiliate. You have to be running Facebook ads if you're freaking driving that much traffic. And it looks like it'd be an affiliate because of the landing page, how it looks. Okay. And they're just saying, show me the video. Then they probably have some copy. You know, see, they're trying to sell them on it. And then they got testimonials. And then they got the social links. We could go to their Facebook and see it if you want. Oh, it's not even doing anything. That's funny. But yeah, you gotta have disclaimers, okay? So this is just an example. It doesn't have to be pretty, okay? Just take imperfect action. Stop being a perfectionist. Just keep it simple, stupid. Follow the strategies. And if you want to do this method where you just send them to a landing page and then send them off to the offer, you can do that. Look, let's click it. It's probably going to go to the offer. If it doesn't, then that's pretty weird. Yeah, it heads straight to the offer. And then they're making good conversions. So there you go. Cool, huh? So there you go. That's the video. Check out other videos. Like and subscribe if you're new. And check out links in the description. Peace out.